In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Payroll in Gusto. Once you are signed in, start by looking at the left sidebar, click Payroll, and then select Payroll Settings. This is where you will enter the core information Gusto needs before you run your first payroll. Taking a few minutes to set this up carefully will help prevent delays later, especially with taxes and payment processing. Next, open Company Details. Here you will enter your federal EIN and your legal address. Make sure this information matches your official business records, because Gusto uses it to prepare tax filings and payroll documents. If the address or EIN is off by even a small amount, it can cause notices or rejected filings, so it is worth double-checking. After that, go to State Tax Setup. Add the state or states where your employees work. This part matters because state payroll taxes and requirements vary, and Gusto needs the correct work locations to handle state withholdings and filings properly. If your team works in more than one state, be sure each applicable state is included here. Now navigate to Bank Accounts. Click Add New Account to connect and verify the funding source you will use to pay your team and payroll taxes. Enter the banking details carefully and follow the verification prompts. It is a good idea to complete this step early, since bank verification can take some time depending on your bank. Once your bank account is set, click Pay Schedules. Select Add Schedule and choose the cadence that fits your business, such as bi-weekly or monthly. As you set the schedule, pay attention to pay periods and pay dates so they align with your internal process and any local requirements. Then go to People and select Hire and Onboarding. Add each team member and enter their pay rates. Accurate pay rates and worker details ensure payroll calculations are correct and that tax withholdings are set up properly. Finally, return to the main dashboard and click Verify Tax Setup. Confirm that all required federal and state forms are electronically signed. This last check helps ensure you are ready to run payroll without interruptions. That covers everything you need to know.